Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kiana, and she's going to be babysitting me tonight, and we are going to make some slime. So, let's get started. So, we're going to... Okay, so this is what it looks like. ASMR moment. Yeah, that's the better.
Just tell me what to tap on.
Imagine if someone had their headphones in at 3 a.m. blasting news. Like...
R.I.P. the headphones.
Okay, we're gonna. I don't think this is how we open it, so we're just gonna go right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna go grab scissors.
It's like a holy.
Okay.
No, I think it opens just like.
No, there's tape. Yeah, you can introduce yourself so if you would like.
Okay.
But yeah, take your phone.
Hey guys, my name is Kiana. I'm babysitting Amira today. I'm from Standish. Right now we're at Amira's house. And we're getting pizza. And brownies.
Yo. And some lemonade.
Yeah,
we're flexing right now.
We're eating so good.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Yeah, this is...
We're already dropping stuff.
Guys, we're gonna title this, Making Slime Gone Wrong.
Ooh.
Gone Wrong.
What is this?
Okay, let's see this.
It's cold.
It's like...
Alright.
Oh my god, there's multiple. There's 50. Okay. Oh my god.
Oh, a package is already open?
Oh my god. And some leaked.
Oh, that's sad.
Okay,
So gone wrong. This is slime making gone wrong.
Yeah, how are we supposed to... Is there even instructions?
Oh, right there. Okay.
Okay, so yeah. Do not mind the... If you look on my side, it's like... Yeah.
I'm gonna keep this propped up so we know what it's supposed to look like.
Okay. So we have the, slime smoothie little kit.
Let me see the instructions.
Okay, yeah, I'll just try to build while she's reading.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is what goes right here.
So the blue... So you have to start with this piece.
And then this is like the... I'm pretty sure this goes in like this. And then it'll be like smoothie slime kit, and then you'll put it in here.
You put the green... Yep. Oh, no, the green piece has to go in first.
Oh my god, what?
Oh, the green one, girl. That one.
What
Like
goes
this.
where? What
Here, I'll
goes
show you.
what?
Just like that.
Huh?
Or that's what the directions say.
Huh?
Oh, like that. What the? Oh, is it? There we go.
Okay.
That makes more sense.
Yep.
And then...
Here. This is it so far. Where's the cat though?
This has to go in here, it says.
That's it, okay.
And then it says you have to put the green lid on first.
The green lid? Okay, the green lid, guys.
And then... Does it fit?
I think so. Maybe do we do this wrong?
No.
Yeah, I told you this would be gone wrong, bro.
Oh
my god, are we doing it?
I think it's because it's so cold that it like... It's like...
It's weird.
I'm gonna get it, don't worry. I'll get it.
Oh my god, look, they have little cups and they get slime.
Let's not break it.
Oh my god, guys.
Alright, sorry, I'm
This
asking
is
a little...
There's little cups.
Aggressive.
It's like, this is what the cups look like, guys. There's so much to make. Oh my god, I think this is gonna be
There we go.
icing. Like,
we got
the
it.
cute, like if you guys went to Starbucks, I have a strawberry outside of it. So this is like the like caramel, like it would be like drizzle.
Oh, yep. I know what you're talking about. And then this piece just goes right in here, I think.
And then you spin it.
Okay.
Okay, how are we supposed to get our slime in there?
Alright, and then what does this do? I wonder what this
Wait, oh my god, here's the thing that leaked. This is what leaked.
Alright.
But how did it leak if it's sealed?
Maybe they just threw a few extra in.
Oh my god! Yeah, we're so special.
Alright, so we have to put the cup right here
leaks,
first.
bro.
It's okay.
Okay. So we put
a cup right here.
a little cup. It has fruit too. It's so cute. Okay. We'll show you the action. We will turn it this way. Okay, I'm over here. I'm gonna be doing the honors while she like reads. Hope this doesn't go wrong because it probably will.
Alright, so basically what you're gonna do is
take that out or okay,
yeah.
Put
and get the scissors.
Scissors.
Are you okay with those? Or do you need help or anything?
I think I'm fine.
Okay.
But, okay, do we just get what's
I'm just making sure. Now you're gonna add whatever colors you wanna do into here.
Let's do like purple and blue.
Okay.
In here.
Yeah, you guys, we just made some mermaid slime. She's marinating right now.
Yeah, here.
I broke 4 spoons forks.
And if she breaks the metal one, I'm gonna call 911. I'm joking. I don't even know. Okay, there it is over there. Yep. If you saw it, it's like right. It had like Candyland, whatever it is. Okay, so we just
I think you should add the pink fruit into it. I think that would look good. You think so?
Yo, like a like a mango or.
Yep. Here's one over here. Oh no!
What? Oh my god. Okay,
It's
it doesn't stop.
Okay, good.
Okay, we may do a part 2. Who knows? And also, I'm posting really late at night for this because, or maybe I'm not. Maybe it's just the lighting now because the times thing.
You have daylight savings.
It's sad.
Are you sure you don't need any help? Girl, I'm scared.
I'm gonna call 911.
No, I'm scared you're gonna cut yourself.
Okay, so.
On accident.
Okay, so like this. Okay.
You want me to like open it in half for you?
God, sure, why not?
I'll help you.
These are so cute. I'm gonna make one for me and then we'll make one for Kiana to take home and remember this. I said remember this moment on the history book page. I think is this yellow and yellow?
Okay.
Oh, this is like a green, but this is green.
Here it is.
Oh no! Oh no! Okay. Oh my god! It's like already slime. Oh my god!
I'm scared.
Okay, it's like put it.
I know it's already like slime.
It's like go. Can they see it?
Can it go any slower? I'll pick it up so they can see it.
If you go inside like here, you can see like a little bit of it just seeping in. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Can we get in? Can you get in, please? Or is it just gonna...
You're gonna have to get your hands a little messy, yep.
Okay, at least it's like...
What color do you want? Pink, you said? Or blue?
Yeah, can make pink.
Alright, I'll open this one for you.
Oh my god, it's like slime, but it's like sticky. But like, it's slime, so it's supposed to get messy. Okay.
Oh, that did not work out in my favor.
Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nah. Oh nah.
Oh nah.
No. Ah. Oh my god. Good god, guys. My helicopter. It's gone. Oh my god, it's coming out. It's going out the bottom.
Okay, this was
It's going out the bottom.
It is?
Yeah. Guys, do you not see it coming out?
Well, at least it's going in the cup.
Yeah. Are we supposed to mix it or something?
Yeah, so I don't know why it's spilling out.
Why?
Because that's what that little purple piece is for that we took out.
Oh god.
It's supposed to mix it together.
Then how are we supposed to get it in then?
I know, I'm confused too.
Huh? Okay, I knew this was going to be a gone wrong video. I didn't know it would go... Because look at it, it's just coming out. It's just like chilling, just coming out.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this.
Oh no, the blue's coming now. The blue's coming out. We'll mix it up.
Yeah, I was gonna say we can just.
I was going to be like, it's coming out, guys. It's coming out. Okay, so I think I know what the title should be. I'll tell you after, or like the cover.
Okay, smart.
Oh my god, bro. What was?
Some more purple.
Okay. Okay. Oh my god, it's coming. Oh my god, it looks like a magenta. It's not like
really? Is it nice?
But like
Does
we're
it
gonna.
look good?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
We should have like little like oranges. Oh, maybe some foam beads.
Add whatever you want.
Okay, we're gonna make sure it like doesn't
make it look good.
Okay, we're gonna keep waiting. We're gonna go. I'm gonna go get. We had made some fruit salad. I'm gonna go get that for us.
Okay. Oh, I already ate all mine.
Oh, okay. You want more?
No, I'm okay. Thank you. Samira, you're so kind.
I have like 2 left.
Oh my god, that looks so cool in there.
Yeah, I know.
I like it.
But it's like coming out. Like I'm not sure if I was supposed to or no.
Oh, there's like clay.
Mhm.
You can add to make like a cloud sign.
Yeah.
Some glitter. Ooh, I like the blue.
Okay, let me see it.
Can you see that?
Is it? No, it's not. Oh no. Oh my god, never mind. It's like the darkness. It looks like it's black. But hold on. While you guys watch this, I'll tell her what I think the cover should be. Okay.
Smart.
So anyways, yeah. Yo. Okay, yo. Okay, do we put this in now? Oh my god, that was a bad idea.
It's just like confusing me.
It's confusing me too.
Oh wait.
Nah.
I think that's what closes
No,
it.
cause like it's supposed to be.
I think that's why.
Go.
Because that closes it and then you open it. That makes so much more sense.
Okay, let's just put that back in there. No one to know. No one would like to know. Oh. Was it close?
I can't tell. Nope.
Oh. I think we might be good.
There's a little glob coming out.
Come on, blob.
Do you see it?
Oh my god, the blob. You should show. Oh my god, show them. There's a blob. Just right there.
We're trying to get it out, guys, so we can make this faster.
Go.
I cannot believe that we didn't notice that.
No, because I'm like.
That's so funny.
Smooth.
Careful, don't do it.
Go,
Go.
go.
Get it back.
Okay. I think that we should do some foam beads, guys.
Yeah. Here, add them in first, and then we'll add the slime, and then we'll mix it. You know what I mean?
So is this closed though?
Yeah,
I'm not
it's
sure if
closed.
it
It's
is.
just still gooing.
Okay. Guess we should add like some.
Oh, careful.
God. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, we're just not gonna talk about that. We're just not gonna talk about that, guys. Okay, no one wants to hear about. Oh my god. Okay, you just like.
As much as your heart desires.
Oh my god.
It's
Whoa.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it.
Let's just put you in here for now.
You can just vacuum it later.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna vacuum. Oh wait,
Alright.
I don't think I have a vacuum now. Like,
That's
it's
fine,
in the
we can
basement,
sweep.
girl. Okay.
Add this in here.
It looks so beautiful though. And then we should add some like glitter. No, I think that's too messy. Okay, what's going on though?
Okay, now
We
the
should
slime
actually-
should stay in there.
We should add some orange.
Okay.
Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. Oh.
Ooh.
And then with a bit of dragon fruit. Those oranges, I think, yeah. We have to see the action.
Oh yeah, true.
Okay, so that's inside. That's what's inside.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Okay, I think I have to open it from this side.
Can we cut it?
Yep. The phone's going off like crazy.
I think that's your mom.
Or maybe it is. Who knows?
Yep. Pizza is there in 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay, we're gonna I'll go to the door so it doesn't look like there's something crazy going on inside. And yeah, she'll like try to fix this or whatever. Like start. Yeah. Oh my god, is it like coming out? Oh my god, it's coming out.
What the heck? We cannot even win. All right, let's mix it.
Okay, we're
Just mix
okay,
it.
We're just okay.
Let's mix it.
Oh, stop it. We're just gonna. This one's supposed to go. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, it's not in.
Are you just supposed to add like every single slime packet in there? Like I don't get it, cause this is like barely any slime. You know what I mean?
Oh my god, it's coming out. Oh my
Oh, I see.
god, that's what makes it like sticky and not like
That's
curly.
cool.
You have to like push it down and like stir it.
Yeah, that makes sense. Like activate that. Okay. That makes
Yeah, I
sense then.
think- Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. That slap is. It was like.
I heard that too.
Okay, did you guys
Alright,
see
is it
that?
gonna? It's already coming.
Yeah.
Let's just open it now.
Okay.
Make the process go a little faster.
Okay, open it, girl. Okay, we're just gonna like. I'm gonna go see if the dominoes is here.
Okay.
I'll put it like right here so you know. I'll also check on the other time that okay, dominoes is not here, but
Well, she said 3 to 5 minutes. Let me check
we should show while it's goozing out. We should show them the other time that we tried to.
She sent that 2 minutes ago.
Yeah. So, oh my god, I think it's overactivated. Look at how hard it is. Even with me doing it. It's like, it's like sticky.
Well, it's probably different when you have it in your hands.
Oh god. Okay.
Because this one's like in a cup. Do you want to take it out?
Sure, why not?
Okay.
Okay, let's see if it like. Okay, it's like sticky. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's just. Okay, put it in here. Okay.
Oh, the bowl?
Yeah. Oh my god. No.
Your fruit bowl?
Yeah. Why not?
You're so funny.
There's gonna be some foam beads in there too.
Ooh. It's gonna give like bubbly under the water.
Yeah, under the water.
Under
I'm
the
confused.
water.
Okay, it's right here. Okay. Okay, I think we're done with the foam beads now. Because I'm not sure what's going on. In the corner, you can just see us like suffering. Just try to mix this monstrosity.
We're trying.
Okay, one of us should like mix this one, and one of us should do that one. Okay, but who wants to do here?
Hold on, I'm gonna check the door for a second. Hold on.
Yeah. Because I'll just be covering this like it's nothing. Like, okay, hi, you ready for Donna? I'm gonna wash my hands real quick.
Okay.
You can tell more about them if you want, but there's
Here, let's pause it and make a part two because we're gonna be eating in a second.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So anyways, we'll check back on you in a second. Bye.